What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how you can earn $50 every single day to click, copy, and paste. If this is something that you think you are ready to do and you want to do, then let me show you exactly how to do it, alright? Now, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It just shows me that I'm doing a great job showing you different ways to make money online, and also subscribe so you don't miss any more of my awesome videos. So before I dive into this and show you step by step how to do it, I just want to be clear that this does require some work, alright? So if you are thinking that, if you're under the assumption that I'm going to show you something that requires absolutely no work, no time investment, then you're wrong. Move on. This is not for you, alright? But I'm going to show you how to do this, and it doesn't cost you any money. Okay, we start with Fiverr.com. If you've never been here, you need to come check it out. Highly recommend it, alright? I'm going to type in Instagram promotion. Why? Because I want to talk about Instagram and why Instagram is, in my opinion, one of the best places to make money online. And in my opinion, from my own personal experience, everybody's using Instagram, but they're not using it correctly. So I want to show you how you can leverage that. So one of the things you're going to see here is people say, I will promote your Instagram video. I will design professional Instagram promotion banner. I will manage and do Instagram and Twitter marketing. Okay, all this stuff. Great, wonderful. They're saying they're going to do this. Well, how can you jump in on this? If you don't want to spend money or you have no money, then you can't do this, right? You can't pay these people to manage your own Instagram account, but you can do it for them. Here's what you do. So I just came here to my Homemade Entrepreneur Instagram account. Say I click on a post, okay? Click on this post, and what you can do is you can copy a link, okay? You can directly copy this link. Now, the reason why you copy this link is so that this person or you can go and share that inside of an engagement group. If you don't know what an engagement group is, it's actually just a group of people, accounts like yours, that are trying to expand and grow. Now, engagement groups have different names. It's engagement group, engagement pod, things like that, okay? Now, what you do is there's an app that you can get on your phone. It's called Telegram, okay? It's a free app. It's called Telegram. Now, inside Telegram, what you can do is you can find these different groups. And I'm going to show you a group over on Facebook where you can find hundreds of different groups that you can join. And by joining these different groups, what you do is you go and find a page over on Instagram. Let's say it's mine. It's an entrepreneurship page. And you approach me and say, hey, I see that you're only getting 100 likes or hearts per post. Would you want me to go in and promote your different posts, one a day? It'll cost you, $50 for the month. And would that be something that you're interested in? A lot of people are going to say no, okay? I don't want to lie to you and say, oh, it's going to be the easiest thing in the world. Most people will say no, not interested, or they will never get back to you. That's if you are sending them posts or DMs directly. However, this is why I wanted to show you about Fiverr, because all you can do, you come up, you join Fiverr.com, and you put up your own gig just like these people are doing, okay? Instagram, let's try growth, okay? Instagram growth. Let's see what pops up. I will strategically make your Instagram growth. I will social proof your Instagram with rapid growth. I will manage your Instagram growth. I'll professionally manage your Instagram growth. Okay, all this stuff, all right? I'll be your expert for blasting growth of your Instagram, okay? All these, they're offering different services. That's all you need to do. This right here is the bulk of your work in the beginning. You just have to put something out there people can see, and once they see it, hopefully, your pricing is competitive, so they will use you. And then at that point, all you do is you go on to Telegram, okay? You join different groups, and here's what I want to show you. This right here is called Social Media Marketing Revolution by the Abonnent community, okay? If you don't know who the Abonnent is, they are very popular amongst Instagram. Great for really growing your account. But you come look right here. Hey guys, looking at creating travel-only engagement groups, 5 to 10,000, 10 to 25, so on and so forth. Comment all this stuff, and you can join some of these groups. Food engagement groups. They got, okay, that's all we're doing right here. Travel niche. Let's see, keep going. Any travel accounts for sale? Travel niche. You keep going through it and you're going to find something that will interest you or that works for the clients that you get here on Fiverr. Okay, I know, I understand, I'm probably talking a little bit fast. Things are flying over your head, you're not completely understanding. But what you're doing, the first step, is you're putting up a gig over here on Fiverr. Okay. Second step is once people pay for your services, you figure out what niche they're in. You come over here to Social Media Marketing Revolution over on Facebook. It's free. Okay, all you gotta do is come up here and then you click on join. I've been joined for a while, so obviously I can't do that, but you join. That's the second thing. And you find some different engagement groups here inside this, or even type in engagement pod or Instagram pod, Instagram engagement, whatever, here inside Facebook search, and you can find a bunch of different groups that do the exact same thing. That's the second step. Third step is once you have that, then all you do is you pop over here to Instagram. Do it from your phone, it'll be easier, and you'll have Telegram there as well. You copy the link, and then you go over to Telegram, and you'll put something like, DX5 at Homemade Entrepreneur, and then you put the link to this post. You copy the link and you paste it. That's what I'm talking about. You click, you copy, and you paste, and this can make you $50 a day every single day for the entire month. Now, this will require you to have 30 different clients, so the first month you might not get there. However, if you're consistent and you're putting up new gigs right here on Fiverr, you're offering a great price, maybe $25 for an entire month just to get started. Or maybe you don't do an entire month, maybe you just do 1 or 5 posts. If that's the case, charge $5 to $10, okay, for 5 different posts. By doing that, more people are going to be inclined to use your services, and then from there, you sell them on something else. You push your higher priced services. That's one of the best ways, in my opinion, to actually make money on Instagram, is to not leverage Instagram on your own personal behalf, but to use it to help other people grow their accounts, to offer them different services. It could be, creating posts. I talked about this in a video I did, a month or two ago. Okay, I've talked about how you go and you offer people different services other than posts and engagement groups and stuff like that. You write the content for them. You manage their accounts. You do all their social media marketing. Whatever it takes, you do it. Okay? It's actually pretty simple. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I want to show you how to earn $50 per day by clicking, copying, and pasting something. That's exactly what I just showed you. If it is, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But what I want to tell you is this, like I said in the beginning of this video as well, this will require some work on your part. It's not something that you put it up there one time and you're going to get paid without doing any work. That's not the case. If you want to make consistent money, you have to either put in the work or you got to put up the money up front. Okay, so what I'm showing you right here is you put up the work. Put up the work and then you make the money. That's what you need to do. If you're trying to expand, you're trying to build your business, you're trying to just make $1 online, do a service. Don't go and try some fancy business and invest in Bitcoin and all this, these glamorous things. Okay, don't do that. Do a service that people can pay for, because when you offer a service that people can pay for, chances are you're going to be successful faster, simply because that service, people will pay more for that exact same service if you provide them a better service in the beginning. You charge them a cheaper rate, you get them in the door, then you show them something different, show them something better, show them something more advanced. People are going to pay more money for that exact same thing, all right? So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Like I said, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.